Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Reasons and hence. Woodpeckers get their name from the loud noises they make on trees throughout the woods. They peck on trees for survival. Many times they are looking for bugs or sap to eat. They also peck on trees to make a home. Building a nest inside the tree keeps the birds safe from predators and the weather. Some woodpeckers may also be pecking to signal to others the territory belongs to them or to attract a mate. What is the author's point about woodpeckers? Option A, woodpeckers are. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.